Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll give a brief review of the Volt Lighting Rotatable Hardscape lights. If you're wondering what a hardscape light is, it's basically a type of light fixture that you would attach to retaining walls, stone border walls, or really any type of stonework. The lights provide functionality, safety, and can really add that wow factor to your stonework at night. Volt Lighting makes a wide range of landscape lights for residential homes as well as commercial businesses. I have nothing but good things to say about this company because of the experience I've had with their products and service. I should also mention that this video is not sponsored and these are all my own unbiased opinions. I purchased these hardscape lights for a walkway project I did last summer. It was an extensive removal and renovation of an old concrete walkway entrance. I'll leave a link to the time-lapse video of that project in the description below. I had never worked with hardscape lights before this project, but I did a ton of research on the interwebs and found Volt Lighting. I was impressed by all of the information the company provided, but more importantly, I was impressed at the raving reviews about their products and service from actual customers. So I budgeted their hardscape lights into the project, and that is an important thing to do. These lights are in no way cheap. Once you factor the light fixture, plus the bulbs, as well as the low voltage transformer, it can really add up. But keep in mind, when it comes to landscape lighting, you really do get what you pay for. I live in upstate New York where we can get hammered with snow and cold in the winter and then heat in the summer. These variations in weather can really affect outdoor light fixtures. If you opt for cheaper light fixtures, you will more than likely have to replace them in the near future. Take it from me, I've gone through so many of those crappy solar lights that I vowed I will never buy them again. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing. The Volt Hardscape lights come nicely packaged and covered in bubble wrap. Volt also ships these out the same day if you order before 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I've literally ordered these lights in the morning and they would arrive the next day, which is some seriously fast shipping. They include all of the instructions and hardware you need to install, including stone anchors and screws. The first thing you'll notice about the light is the build quality. It's made of solid brass, so they have some good weight to it. Brass can withstand all of the various weather elements and last for a long time without rusting. Removing the bulb cover is super easy, just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Inserting the bulb can be a bit challenging. I find that the terminals are a bit difficult, so you may need to wiggle it around a little bit to get it in. Inside the light fixture, you'll also notice a lot of reflective material. This allows for a nice, even distribution of the light. Once the bulb is in, place the bulb cover back on and screw in. Installing the light fixture is pretty straightforward. This light installs underneath the capstone, so you would need to remove the capstone if it's not already removed. Place the light on top of the stone block and position it whichever way you would like. Draw a line using a marker to indicate where the cord will run. You will need to cut into the stone block so that the cord sits into the line that you cut. This will allow the light fixture to sit flush. Before you attach the capstones, run the wiring to your low voltage transformer and ensure the light fixture works. Next, use landscape adhesive to attach the capstone back onto the top of the stone block and light fixture. You can use the provided screws and anchors to attach the light fixture to the stone block, but I found that unnecessary as the landscape adhesive held everything in place. Once you're all done attaching the capstone, take a step back and enjoy the beauty these lights will bring to your stonework. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful info.